It was a winter's day on the island of Sodor, as Percy was travelling through a little village. He always loved travelling through the village, seeing all the people having fun with the snow and playing around. But one day as Percy was passing by, he heard someone scream for him to stop. A man said that a blizzard was coming to the village soon, and that he needed Percy to take him home. So he hopped into the coaches, and Percy set off. But then there was trouble. The blizzard had come early, and Percy was stuck in the middle of it. He huffed and puffed through the snow, doing everything he could to get to the end, his wheels sliding across the rails. "Look, I see the end of the line," the man called. And Percy had made it.